A new hope, embracing the chaos of software development. The software development landscape is a battleground. Teams clash, deadlines loom, uncertainty reigns. Traditional methods crumble under the weight of complexity. A new hope emerges, the Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFe. SAFe is not just a framework, it's a lifeline. Imagine a world where cross-functional teams collaborate seamlessly. This is the promise of SAFe. The Agile Release Train, a force to be reckoned with. At the heart of SAFe lies the Agile Release Train, or ART. This is no ordinary train. It's a powerful engine of innovation, carrying teams towards a common goal. The ART is a long-lived team of agile teams. It's a self-organizing entity, aligned to deliver value iteratively and incrementally. The ART operates on a fixed schedule, known as Program Increments, or PIs. Think of PIs as the beats of the SAFe drum, setting the rhythm for development. The ART ensures continuous delivery and relentless improvement. Scaling the summit. The SAFe Framework Unveiled. SAFe is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a comprehensive framework with layers designed to address varying levels of complexity. At its core lies Essential SAFe. For organizations tackling larger solutions, Large Solutions SAFe steps up to the challenge. At the strategic level, we find Portfolio SAFe. Here, the focus shifts to aligning strategy with execution. And finally, there's Full SAFe, encompassing all aspects of the framework. SAFe's layered approach provides flexibility. Section 4. Guardians of the Galaxy. Key roles in the SAFe universe. Within the SAFe universe, a cast of key roles orchestrates the symphony of software development. The Release Train Engineer, or RTE, is the conductor, keeping the RT on track and removing impediments. The Product Owner, or PO, is the voice of the customer. They own the product vision, ensuring that the RT builds the right thing at the right time. Scrum Masters are the heartbeat of the ART. They guide and coach their teams, ensuring they adhere to agile principles and practices. They're the problem solvers, the protectors of the team's time and focus. System architects and engineers ensure the system's integrity and provide technical guidance. These key roles form the backbone of the SAFe framework. They ensure that the ART stays true to its mission of delivering value. Section 5. The Rhythm of Innovation. SAFe's cadence of events. SAFe pulsates with a rhythm of events, each designed to foster alignment, collaboration, and innovation. PI planning is the heartbeat, a two-day event where the entire ART comes together to plan the work for the upcoming PI. Scrum of Scrums is a regular cadence point, bringing together representatives from each team to discuss progress and dependencies. The system demo is a showcase for the ART's work. Held at the end of each iteration, it provides stakeholders with a chance to see the progress made and provide feedback. And finally, there's Inspect and Adapt, a dedicated event for reflection and improvement. These events create a cadence that drives continuous delivery and relentless improvement. They provide the framework for a truly agile enterprise. Section 6. A universe of possibilities. Embracing the SAFe transformation. SAFe is more than just a framework. It's a journey of transformation, a shift in mindset, a commitment to agility at all levels. It's about breaking down silos, fostering collaboration, and empowering teams to deliver value. The benefits of SAFe are undeniable. Increased productivity, improved quality, faster time to market. The future of agility awaits.